Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share how you can create collection views using Wix and how you can change the URL, which is a slug URL structure for dynamic pages. So I had trouble doing it, so I'm going to show you how I fixed that issue. So here I'm creating a similar collection which I already have under the name single. I'm using level to categorize my collections, and here I'm just using the same collection view for single and I'm duplicating it, but I'm giving a name as test sticker. So I want my URL slug structure to use test sticker. So any URL which was earlier using single should get redirected to test sticker. That's what has been created as URL redirect. So now when I use test sticker as my URL, I get only one image because I have changed that for only one image. The URL structure has changed for only one image. So now if I want to change it back to single, it doesn't allow me because there is a URL redirect. So now when I delete it, I always face a technical issue. So how to fix this now? So if I again change it back to single, it will not let me because that issue of URL redirect somewhere getting stored in the cache doesn't allow me to change it back to my original URL. So for that, what I can do is I can wait for some time. Sometimes it would be a time lag when it clears the cache. But even after that, if it doesn't work and you don't find any URL redirect in the URL redirect manager, what you can do is first try and sync your sandbox collection to your live collection. That is the first thing you have to take care of. And then this is your this you have changed already. So let me go to test sticker. So I do have my URL still as test sticker. So it is not letting me change. So what I'll do, I'll go and first sync it with my live collection. So in that case, any changes that happened on my live collection, which is obstructing the URL redirect from getting removed from the cache, will be done. So now what I'll do, I have changed it to some other name just for it to remove the URL redirect that was existing in the cache. So I'll just try and check once again. So now I have a single 2. So now I've deleted it. And if I go to my collection now, so still it is not letting me change back to single because that URL redirect is still in the cache. So what I'll do first, I will stop any URL redirects and I will change it back to some other name and I will not get any redirect. And then I will sync it with my live collection. And once I've done that, there's no redirect now and I've changed it to some other name without a redirect. I will test that on my website because I've synced it with the live collection. And once that works, as you can see, it worked with that URL. I'll go back to the collection. And I will change it back to the original one because there is no redirect now. All the cache got synced. So now I am back to my original URL and I got all my images. So if you find some value in this video, please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.